Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a 110V Flux Core MIG welder. This Flux Core Welding for Beginners complete guide is powerful 3-in-1 welding machine with 3 uses. Our versatile welder combines flux MIG, FCAW, lift TIG, GTAW, and stick MMA, SMAW, welding capabilities. It is perfectly matched with 1.6mm flux cord wire and is very suitable for welding carbon steel, iron or stainless steel. Making it perfect for various welding tasks such as home DIY projects, outdoor maintenance, and repairs. Equipped with thick handle, easy to carry, easy to translate and store. The MIG 270 welder has adjustable power settings that you can adjust according to your safety protection. Intelligent design equipped with overheat and overload protection. The MIG welder shuts down automatically if it gets too hot, and the built-in fan cools the unit for 1 to 2 minutes after shutdown. The intelligent IGBT technology reduces energy loss, ensuring efficient performance. You can choose flux core wire, gasless, or solid wire, gas. This welder can handle 2 pounds and 10 pounds rolls of wire, 0.8mm from 1mm flux core wire, solid wire, max welding thickness 8.0mm. This 110V Flux Core MIG welder is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features synergic control, which automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed, so you get a smooth weld every time. And with its lightweight, portable design, you can take it anywhere, perfect for home projects, garage work, or even on-site repairs. This welder adapts to your needs with high efficiency and IGBT inverter technology for stable performance. Built-in hot start, arc force, and anti-stick technology ensure smooth arc ignition and prevent electrode sticking, making every weld clean and professional. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, DIY projects, or metal fabrication, this welder delivers solid, reliable results on a variety of metals. From hobbyists to professionals, this welder gets the job done with ease and precision. Complete set for beginner to maximize value and convenience. The 3-in-1 welder package includes a 3-in-1 welder, MIG torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, welding helmet, a pair of heat-resistant leather welding gloves, and a 2.2-pound spool of E71T GS.039-inch flux core welding wire. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.